The following message is transmitted at the request of the Menominee County 911, shelter in place for portion of City of Menominee. There is an industrial fire in the City of Menominee with smoke blowing in a westerly direction into the City of Menominee. Due to air quality concerns, it is recommended that residents downwind of the fire go indoors and shelter in place. Of special concern are persons with respiratory and other medical conditions that put them at risk. The area involved includes 10th Street east to the Bay of Green Bay and 6th Avenue south to the Menominee River. To shelter in place, go inside and take any pets with you. Close and lock all windows and doors. Turn off fans, air conditioner, and furnace if possible. Close the fireplace damper if not in use. Go to an internal room without windows if possible. Wait for an all clear. This shelter in place is in effect until 7 p.m. Central Time and may be extended if necessary. Any persons needing assistance regarding the shelter in place may go to the intersection of 10th Street and 6th Avenue to make contact with law enforcement. Further updates will be forthcoming as the situation progresses.